What if I told you that you can use NestKing to design your cuts multiple times faster than you're doing now? You don't believe me? Check this out. This is how a typical cut design looks like, with the imported files from our 3D software. And our final cuts all designed by hand. And this is how it looks like in NestKing. Less geometries, less workload, multiple times faster, less engineering costs, modification of cuts, easy. Nevertheless, the resulting cuts are the same. But how is this possible? Let's take a deeper look. NestKing incorporates multiple tools automatically generating the complete layout for us. No copying, no trimming, no extending, no labeling. NestKing does this job for us. We can easily link neighbored segments with each other and change offset values and directions just by a few mouse clicks. Changes are visible in real time, ensuring that we always have full control. NestKing without nesting. That wouldn't work. Just choose your material from the material database and hit the Nest button. As the cherry on the cake, we can derive cutting geometries from images or generate form inserts for tool cards, as shown here. As you can see, NestKing is very flexible and tailored to your needs. Your satisfaction has highest priority. Hey, I'm Daniel from NestKing and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.